Today I'm reviewing the SVS SB-1000 Pro Sealed Subwoofer, Black Ash. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've used this subwoofer in real listening sessions with movies and music. That includes home theater soundtracks and bass-rich music genres. Let's set expectations clearly. This is not a large, room-shaking party subwoofer. It's a compact sealed sub designed for tight, accurate bass in smaller to medium rooms. Out-of-the-box setup was straightforward. I placed it near my front speakers and connected it to my receiver. Power and crossover settings were simple to adjust. In everyday use, the SB-1000 Pro feels controlled. Low frequencies hit cleanly without boominess. That tight behavior makes music like rock or jazz feel more natural than overly bloated. With movies, the impact feels purposeful. Explosions and low rumbles come through with authority for its size. It doesn't try to fake huge output, which keeps things balanced rather than overpowering. The sealed design contributes to that character. There's less of the loose or muddy bass you sometimes hear from ported subs. It doesn't reach the deepest infrasonic lows, but what it produces stays articulate and defined. There are trade-offs to acknowledge. This isn't a sub that will fill large open rooms with omnidirectional bass. If you want chest rumbling output at every seat, you'll need a larger or multiple sub setup. Because it's compact, real deep bass below 30 Hz isn't its forte. You feel presence and punch, but not extreme subsonic weight. Build quality feels solid. The finish and cabinet don't feel cheap. Knobs and connections work without fuss. Controls on the back let you dial in crossover, phase, and gain without guesswork. Integration with speakers stayed smooth during everyday use. Now let's talk about who this makes sense for. If your priority is tight, accurate bass that complements music and home theater without dominating the room, this fits that need well. It's especially useful in smaller to medium living rooms or dedicated listening spaces where clarity matters. If you're chasing earth-shaking bass that spreads everywhere, a larger or multi-sub setup will better suit that goal. In everyday use, this SVS sub feels capable and composed. It doesn't oversell itself. It delivers balanced low end that feels right for both movies and music. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.